Want to collect user locations directly through your forms without writing a single line of code or paying for any map API? With Easy Form Builder, it's 100% possible. In this video, I'll show you how to add a fully functional location picker to your WordPress forms. Quick, easy, and cost-free. Activate Location Picker. First things first, make sure you've installed and activated Easy Form Builder on your WordPress site. Then head to the plugin panel, click on Settings, go to the General tab, and toggle on the Enable Location Picker option. Boom! You're ready to start using Location Picker. Create a new form. Click the Create button on the left-hand sidebar. You can choose from various form types, but for this tutorial, we'll go with a simple new form. Just click the Create button. Add the Location Picker. Click on it to access the settings, and here's where the magic happens. Customize the map. You can set a default latitude and longitude, for example, to center the map on Vancouver. Adjust the zoom level to control how close or wide the view is. You can even define how many markers a user can drop on the map. 1 for a single location, 2 for multiple points, or 0 if you want to show only a fixed admin-defined spot. Publish your form. When your form is ready, hit Save, copy the shortcode, and paste it into any page or post using the block editor. Click Publish, and just like that, your form with built-in map functionality is live. Save and preview location data. Once users submit the form, you'll get detailed geolocation data in your form entries, including their exact latitude and longitude. This is super helpful for deliveries, event check-ins, service areas, and more.